Hello friends, welcome back to VTeach Academy. And now in this presentation, we are going to discuss an important topic under pair of straight lines. So in this section, we are going to discuss about the homogenizing of a second degree equation with a first degree equation. So generally, the locus of a second degree equation, which is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is called a second degree curve. So let us name this as equation 1, and now let us consider a first degree equation which will be in the form of lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, and now let us name this as equation 2. So here, as we are homogenizing equation 1 with the help of equation 2, let us consider equation 2, which can be written in the form of lx plus my is equal to minus n. And then we need to make the constant term as 1. So let us divide the whole equation with minus n. So that implies we get here lx plus my divided by minus n will be equal to 1. So this is the value of 1. And now let us name this as equation 3. So let us begin with the homogenizing of equation 1. So it will become ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus, and here taking 2 as the common factor, we get 2 into gx plus fy into, let us write 1 over here as it is a first degree term, plus of c is equal to 0. And now let us replace the value of 1, that is using equation 3. So that implies we get here ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2 into gx plus fy into the value of 1, which is lx plus my divided by minus n plus c is equal to 0. And then by simplifying this equation, we get a second degree equation in terms of a dash x square plus 2h dash xy plus b dash y square, which will be equal to 0. So this is the process of homogenizing a second degree equation. And now let us discuss an example relating to this concept. So the given example is, we need to find the equation of lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of x square plus y square is equal to 1 and the line x plus y is equal to 1. So as this is the given curve, we can write this curve in terms of x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0. And now let us name this as equation 1. And then this is the given line, so let us name this as equation 2. So let equation 2 intersects equation 1 at a and b. So for combined equation of OA line segment and OB line segment, we need to homogenize equation 1 using equation 2. So equation 1 can be written as x square plus y square minus 1. So here, as it is constant and we need to convert the whole equation in terms of second degree, we need to multiply it with 1 square, which is equal to 0. And now let us substitute the value of 1. So that implies we get here x square plus y square minus 1 into 1 square, that is x plus y whole square. So by using the formula, we get x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 0. So that implies by multiplying, we get here x square plus y square minus x square minus y square minus 2xy is equal to 0. So that implies by simplifying and cancelling the terms having opposite signs, we get minus 2xy is equal to 0. So that implies we get xy is equal to 0, which is the equation of a line joining the origin to the point of intersection of given equations. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos, visit our website VTeach Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.